Hi everybody, welcome to Rajaswee's YouTube channel. I'm Nehal, I'm the co-founder of Rajaswee and I'm back with another video to help you understand our brand in a better way. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the best sellers of 2025 that have been absolutely loved by the customers across the country. So basically these bestsellers are from across the categories on our website, which you can check it out because I've linked it in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be naming the top 15 bestsellers of 2025 from Rajaswee in no particular order. And don't forget to comment which one have you tried and which one would you like to try so that we know which one excites you the most. So the first one has to be Matka roasted cashew. The best thing about this product is that it's made in an authentic matka and it gives the much needed earthy and smoky flavor without disturbing the nutrients in the cashew. It's definitely not just a snack, it's a whole experience. So the next one is Pat Pat Kachori. It's crispy, it's flavorful, and it literally bursts with the wholesome achari flavor. It's most of our customers' chai and coffee time buddy, and we can vouch on it that no one can have just one. If you've not tried it yet, it's high time you give it a try. So the next one is Anardana Goli, and I feel that people are obsessed with this not only because of its digestive values but also because it gives them the nostalgic feeling. And for me personally, it definitely takes me back to my school recess days where I used to just pop it in my mouth after I've had my meal. The next one is Trifla Avla. It has all the benefits of Avla but with a little twist just to satisfy your taste buds. The fifth one is the Chandan mix, and this one's a bit special because it is so iconic and flavorful that so many restaurants and cafes across India trust it for their clients after meal refreshments. The next item is dry pan. I'm sure most of you must have already tried pan, but have you tried pan without any hassle? And this is the reason why people are obsessed with our dry pan. It's refreshing, it's tasty, and it's definitely a pocket-sized happiness. The next is Gulab Badam mix, and this one is pure elegance. It has the goodness of almonds blended with the delicate aroma of roses. It's truly a royal treat. The next is Jet Chwara, and the best thing about this particular product is that it has the wholesome nutrients of dates because it's made out of dates, and you would have never thought that something so natural could taste so good. The next has to be my personal favorite again, which is the tangy guava laddu. And all the guava lovers, this one's specially for you. It has the perfect fruitiness, it has the perfect tanginess, and it is definitely a bite-sized delight. The next is the Silver Kesar Elaichi Dana. Talk about luxury in a bite, and this is it. It's refreshing, it's royal, and honestly, it's the kind of after meal treat that makes you feel like royalty. So next is a silver item once again, which is a silver Rasili soft. I'm sure you can't even guess what it's made of. It's made of dried papaya. Can you believe it? It is coated with silver and is a soft, chewy delight. So the next one is the mixed seeds, and here I would say that healthy snacking just got interesting. Our mixed seeds are crunchy, protein packed, and perfect for guilt-free munching. And the best part about this is that not just the fitness freaks but also the non-fitness freaks are obsessed with it because it's so delicious. The next would be mixed berries. The sweet, tangy berries are literally like a party in your mouth. Packed with antioxidants, they are healthy, and people obviously love them because they're way too delicious. The next one would be double mocha almonds, and being a coffee lover myself, I'm obsessed with this. Just imagine crunchy almonds wrapped in rich double mocha goodness. I must say this is definitely obsession worthy. The last but not the least, and definitely one of my next favorites, would be the corn nuts lemon chili. It's crunchy, crispy, zesty, all in one bite, and it's definitely a snack that wakes up your taste buds and keeps you reaching back to it again and again. So these were the lineup of Rajaswee's bestsellers of 2025. I really hope that you've tried them already, but if not, you can check the link in the description box below and order them now. Now quickly go in the comments and let me know which one you're already obsessed with without trying. And if you're someone who has already tried our products, you know it's difficult to pick just one. I'm signing off from this video and I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, keep shopping.